All right, yeah. This is ignition for a Kia Soul 2014. And what happened is them Kill boys, them Kill punks got to the car. But I'm gonna show you how you can get it out. Let's say you don't have a key. You don't have a key for the ignition, and it's all good, and you just want to switch out your ignition. Let's say you don't have a key. I'll show you what you gotta do. See this right here? Let me get it back up in there. Oh, let me see what it. Okay, here we go. See that right there? So it's got a little tab right there. Let's say you don't have a key for this, which I don't. You gotta push this thing all the way in right there like that. Then you push the little tab in, you push it, hold that in right there, like that. That's the lock the steering wheel. Hold it in. Push the tab. As you push down the tab, kind of push it that way a little bit. Boom, you're gonna get a little gap right there. Then you turn around, take a nice little screwdriver like this, wedge it out there, bam. So that's the garbage one. This the one I want to put in to go to the other car. So still holding the tab in, come right there, get the original key that go to the original cylinder, turn it, bam. See that? Now it's working. And these is one-way breakout screws. So when they was putting these on, this is sitting like that. You can how you get it out. It's bolted on, right? Bolted on. So what you do is you drill a hole in the top. Drill a hole in the top. Nice little hole, like a 1/8 drill bit. Get your 1/8 drill bit, drill a hole straight through the center punch it. Then get you an extractor, easy out, and you turn it in like you turn it out. And what it's gonna do is gonna remove that screw and pull it away. Boom. These are screwed in, but they made the break off when they put this thing together. And that's the reason why you got that little head on it flat. So you just drill through it enough where you get an extractor in there, turn it in. And, as you turning it out, it's gonna dig in there and then pull the stud out. That's how you get those out. Peace out, Kill boys. Stop stealing stuff, man. All right, Kill punks.